Hello everybody, welcome to my How to Say lessons. This time I'll explain to you how to say good luck in Hebrew. In Hebrew, when you wish someone good luck, for example, before an exam, you say בהצלחה. 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 The literal meaning of בהצלחה is in success. Well, sort of. Like do something in or with success. Even better put, successfully. The word בהצלחה originates from an old Hebrew word that the root צלח The root צלח describes overcoming a big obstacle, mainly a large body of water. Until today, we say in Hebrew, לצלוח אגם, to cross a lake. You can hear the root צלח in לצלוח. A potential source of confusion is the literal translation of good luck. If you combine these two words, you get מזל טוב. This is the literal translation of good luck. Notice that in Hebrew, in contrast to English, the adjective comes after the noun. So when you should say מזל טוב? In Hebrew, one common use of מזל טוב is when you congratulate someone for a birthday, or similarly in other happy occasions like weddings, etc. So, to conclude so far, if a task or a challenge is ahead, you should say בהצלחה. If a happy occasion or a good day, say מזל טוב. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions. You can leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.